Hey guys, welcome back to Third Bonds. It's Stella. Today I'm going to be showing you what it's been doing after I made this for the past 5 days, and now it's the sixth day of this, and I'm going to show you what it's been doing. Snowing like crazy. It's my snowman, Bobby Joe. This is my dog, Evie, staring at Bobby Joe. And then there's more in the backyard, which I really like to show you the backyard. I kind of already destroyed it. Kind of, not that much. Snow, look at it. And that, like clear stuff, is ice. It's really fragile like glass. And now that you've seen that, I'm going to do a house tour. So I'm going to start at the entryway. And we're just going to get started. So we go right into here to the dining room. We have a shelf. Then and for there you walk into the kitchen. Here's the kitchen island, the stove, and some cabinets. And then sink and all that stuff. And then we have that kind of like, I don't really know what to call it. Here's den, living room kind of thing. And then we have the office. And we have my parents' room. We have Evie tearing up a towel. So now we're going to go upstairs. Step. So we walk up the stairs. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys this. Dun, 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 dun. And we walk right up into AJ's room. Got his place, one of his PlayStations over there. His closet. And then Sylvie's room. It's kind of the same. In her closet, but I want to show you guys this. It's like a little nook thing. Let me see. There we go. So look, you have it closed. Just like a normal bookshelf. And then you push right into this little nook in here. So now we're leaving Sylvie's room. I'm heading on down the hall to my room. And then we have this closet. And then we have my bathroom. So now we're just going to make our way down here into this bathroom that leads through here into the guest room. The guest room leads across the hall to the man cave. Got our 3 TVs, our movie theater seats. Yep. So that's really all of it. That's the house. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and Blondie hugs, Pixie peace. Bye.